about MoneyRasTV. Money. Listen. Don't call my phone if you're not money. Don't waste my time if you're not money. Don't call my phone and tell me about my body. That tile is all about the money. Don't call my phone if you're not money. Don't waste my time if you're not money. Don't call my phone and tell me about my body. That tile is all about the money. Time is money and money is time. So some boy are wasting time. Sit on fan corner, scream lime. Money man a program every year, every time. Tell the little chatterbox them to stop chat. Stop blow up my phone like program. That's what's up. Nothing good to talk about. Don't call us. Don't call my phone if you're not money. Don't waste me time if you're not
Can't believe that woman there no my youth. A woman here come bring the youth from my youth and know say me have to do road and all these things. You know what I mean? Yo, how me I go hustle my youth? I hit a cheat every know. That's why I come tell you what I go on because you right now me don't even know what to do in my youth. You see me? Either me have to find a babysitter or find a woman or something. But my youth me don't even want to go through that. You see me? Yeah, me just want, you know, do the right thing, hustle and save my money and take care of the youth and make sure I'm alright. Me no want to I go through one bag of problem now. How me I go maintain and manage the youth like how a woman would and do it. Me have to go cook food, I have to go send him to school, all of them something there, brother. All them stress them are youth, me can't manage, brother. You see me? Cause, you see, for the me alone, I could not hustle and I save my money and I do everything and I make sure I'm alright, make sure I'm getting money, make sure this, make sure that. But if me have him, me can't get to maneuver. I gotta just stop with him. Me can't get to do this and me can't get to do that.
You need a father, you have to stand for the father, man.
True that, man. I true that, man.
Yeah, man, can't make a youth go down and go.
Boy, only for tribulation and child.
When she believes a boy suffer relation, the youth to one, you see that step of youth and that thing. That's it. And when he say you go down, you're right up, man. You need money last time.
Alright, you may say, I'm not gonna hold you up. I'm just gonna make you know, say, that problem you mean, So if certain things me can't get for tend to, like with fire sparks and the stall, just know, say, yo, me have to do this and that. Me have try getting birth people, me have try get all of the documents, so if you get, so if you have one book him in a school and them things. So here, me I make a move, you know, I link you back.
Yeah, because the boy have to stand by the father, you know?
Alright, no say no.
I hear a see.
Alright, brother, no say no. Make a move. Mark, you hear me, son? Come on, you have to take your time and come. Alright, here's a slippery. Come, take your time and come down, my sons. Come, take your time and move on. Right, slippery. Take your time. Alright, listen. You how much now?
Yeah.
Alright, you're 8, so here why you gotta wash your own talkie now. Here, sir? And your own breath. You don't have to do that here. Your time now, you need to learn. Welcome to the country life. You see? Your mother can't manage with you at home. Town and country are two different places. You understand? But when you come here, so, you're in tune with nature. You understand? You get to know where you come from, where it all started. You understand? Before pipeline, a river we say. You understand? The old folks can tell you. And not just me. So, right now we're gonna do it for washing. And be careful how you're covering the water here. Alright? You know the country life, right? So I'm gonna put the shirt on. So how you wash? Watch out that mama see on your son. Yeah, my son. So we have to do with it here.
Okay.
Cause you have to learn, you know, man. See? But no worry, me will do it for you. Cause you not do it right. You understand? I'll show you how to do it later. Don't worry. You alright?
Money man a program every year, every time. Tell the little chatterbox them, they stop chat, stop blow up my phone like it a stop chat.
Black, what go on? What go on for your brother, Money Ras?
You know me there, you know. You know, say, yeah, like still.
What me you say I go on with Money Ras, dog? I know you say him baby mother carry youth come left on him right now and I'm alone and you know him have in the street house, you know, dog. Have to take care of him family, don't? When last you see him?
You know, so from where I see him boy nearly 4 days ago. 4 days ago in say boy, yo blacks, you know, more you go and run off a style, you know. Soon come back, you know. And I say blows in it. You know, I have to just go and hold off his style team. I don't know say boy in the stress and you know. Yeah, cause baby mother come back to the youth for the man thing, you see me? So I don't know so maybe all that.
Alright.
Yeah man, ain't good man.
You sure?
Yeah man.
I mean, you're a little fucker good on, I don't know if nothing goes up. Life still, dog. You know, say a big fucker should do, dog. Cause that's what she do right now. She don't blighted the youth future. She thinks she blighted Money Ras future, dog. But watch her. Remember Money Ras, you know, tomorrow morning Money Ras life can change. Can mish.
When a girl be saying about suffer with the youth, that step him a go step with the youth and up on top of things. Cause we now go bottom of things, you know. Up on top of things, we are on top of things. You know, see it? Say Money Ras, I'm put up on top of things. So here we go on now. The whole way have to go up on top of things, because we now left him out. You see it? I'm a real man. There's a real man, we have a dying foot. I know say boy, yo, any little thing, I would need to help him out. You see me? Yeah man.
But anyway, your phone at work?
Yeah man.
Alright. I go call you and you give me him number and make me get to him. If I not see him before that, just tell him to come check me.
Right.
And you know me there already.
Big up yourself with me.
Alright, general.
Yeah man.
Right that.
So big up the things,
Yeah,
you know?
man.
Yeah man.
Money, don't waste me time if you not talk. Money, don't call my phone and tell me about nobody. I tell you it's all about the money. We can't put the look now. Money, man, not
How you say fun day there going? No fun day going.
money and my slogan. You're not here with them, call me the money maker, the eat maker. Lifetime deal like my name Jay-Z. Everything done, sign and seal. Me no want hear no fucking from no. Don't call my phone if you're not talk. Money, don't waste me time if you're not talk. Money, don't call my phone.
Shamar, right, come here. Come sit down right here, son. I'm gonna ask you some question about school today, right?
Yeah,
So how was school today?
good.
What did you learn today?
I learned
What teacher taught today in school? They learn maths, English, what?
your maths.
You do maths? What else you do? Alright, that's good, you know? But here I know. So like when me and you alone, I'm gonna have to go hustle so we can get something to eat. Right now, nothing really there, so. I mean, we have stove, but we're not on gas. Right? And the fridge empty. None of snacks in the house, no food. So I go hustle. Here, you have to just hustle with me and see, you know?
Yeah,
What we are gonna do? The rough, you know, my lord, and I'm here alone, you understand?
yeah,
See, your mother left you for me now, and I'm here, you know. So I'm gonna be mama and papa now, you understand? And it have a rough for me, so, you know, just bear with me here. So, it have to be love, comfort, it have to be a little rough, but you have to just sit with me, right? So you say you ready?
yeah.
Alright, get your stuff together, man. Get your whatever you are get when you come. Your jacket, and then so.
My jacket gone. You know the car. And my device. And my slippers.
Put the slippers. I'll make one go here.
Yeah.
Money man a program every year, every time. Take the liquor chatterbox, them stop chat, stop blow up the phone, like it and stop chat. Money man a program.
Black man.
Sparks.
How I go on, brother? What really I go on? You know, some drive out the brand new machine, brother, and the car locked down for the road, brother. I don't expect that for you. I'm going to try all the next one and I see him problem happen to me, brother. How I really I go on?
Yeah, it's a warm tea machine. What you talk about warm tea machine? What kind of style?
You don't have no idea how I problem with them.
I don't care thing, no, brother. See? I and that man I care things, so that man have to deal with, brother.
You hear from MoneyRas?
You know, sir, MoneyRas phone me and go down with you, you know, then, see? And it's right now, you get a new number. You see me? So you walk on now. You give a number, you know, then. 3 4 8 5 4 9 0 1, you know? It's when I get to that, man. You know, it's a different still now. If you get to me today, so you're going now. I don't know if you want to give me a link so you get to talk to him. You understand? But I want you really to come. Just come and link me tomorrow.
Say I go on, Blacks. You know me I say no, man. I don't want to hear no more that, you know. Yeah, MoneyRas. A brother, you know. Remember I say me a stranger, you know, brother. I just go and run the business with MoneyRas, you know. I do a favor for you, you know. So you know, if you don't make the business up and running, you know, I go just control and me just go laugh and take on myself, you know. But
I don't show you a thing already start, but you come back to me and tell me about where.
alright then, my general, anything you say, you know, cause
Yeah, man.
so I'm manning everything up.
Yeah.
So me I go check your money.
On the phone if you're not money. Don't waste me time if you're not money. Don't call me phone and tell me about nobody. A tile is all about the money. Don't call me phone if you're not money. Don't waste me time if you're not money. Don't call me phone and tell me about nobody. A tile.
Hungry. Hungry.
What if you're hungry, Shamar? Shamar, you know, just wake up, Shamar. Morning now, you know, my son. What if you're hungry? Shamar? Shamar, what if you're hungry? Hey, just wake up.
I look when you sleep, Daddy.
Oh, man. So you're not sleep long, too? So that's for sure. You say you're asleep and you're hungry. You're asleep and I think about food, Shamar. Shamar, you know this is a stress to my brain right now. Alright, but anyway, you know, sir. Father God, give thanks to life, yeah, man. Shamar? Alright, now get up now and make breakfast here. Go and go brush your teeth and wash your face, right? Go on. Oh man, Father. Jesus, peace. I have to stand up. Stand up like a mo. Alright, Shamar, I'm gonna call Blacks and see what go on here, man. Here?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I go on, man, you know me there I do. I go on differently. Everything good?
Man, you know, it's everything good, but you know, so good, boy, you know? You have to just make everything good still, no?
Yeah, man, bless up yourself as long as everything good. But, yeah, me and the boy here, yo, we about to come and give you a check, man, you know what I mean? Because we ain't got no food, no snacks. I haven't cleared the barrels yet, so I'm waiting. As soon as I clear the barrels, we're going to have a lot of food, so we're going to come give you a link, see how the hustle is, how the store going, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Alright, do that, man.
We just freshen up to come on the street to see what's going on, right? Because ain't nothing here to eat. Just wake up and he talk about he hungry, so I'm like, damn, Shamar, ain't nothing there here for eat. You know what I mean? So we are come give you a link, brother. You see me?
Just come give me a link and thing, man. I mean, see how much money we have and thing, you know?
Yeah, man, in a real life. Alright? Yeah, we're so forward.
We are not time to stop. Time to blitz. Go blitz. Go back. What's up?
I was reaching you still looking at my time right there.
I'm going to stop on.
Yo, Money Ras.
Yo, my brother, what going?
Wagwan.
You know my day, man. Everything good?
From what day I want to get your number, brother, when I can't get your blacks, give me a number, you know, man.
Long time I don't hear from you, bro.
Tell me something. I want to go on with the vehicle, them. Cause all of them are shut down for me, you know.
What you mean the car locked down?
Me don't know.
So you not check the kill switch? It have track and it have kill switch on it, brother.
Yeah, no?
Yeah, man, I think you know these things, man.
What that there?
Right, like how you don't know, the more you look right under the dashboard and you find the button for your kill switch, you see me? Yeah, bro, you just press it and you that, you know what I mean?
Alright, me I go check it out.
You can't rent car and I know how things going on, brother. You have to know the thing go, you see me?
Black say no know nothing about the car them, but if you tell him say if you know about the car them doing a dog, that means that me not have to go through all of this again here.
Me and Blacks they talk and him they show me something like about car problem with you, but I mean, him not really know about none of that either, so you could have asked him, you see me? And me and you deal with car business, you know, man. You know what I mean? I mean, I want you to get fed up, you know, man. Yeah, man. All you have to do is just link me and me tell you what is what. Because I know say nothing to do the car. You understand?
Alright, my general, let's see how it.
Just see the movie, right? Just continue to support the channel. MoneyRasTV. Like, share, subscribe. And that's MoneyRas. One spell, no space. MoneyRasTV. Straight spelling, no space. Boom! Check out that next one here forward. Next week. Bam!